Tonight, the Middle East stands on the edge of a war that could reshape the world. In the early hours of February the 28th, the unthinkable happened. What had been years of shadow conflict erupted into open confrontation. A coordinated military strike by the United States and Israel targeted Iran's most sensitive military and nuclear infrastructure. Within hours, Iran struck back. The opening blow was swift and calculated. Precision strikes hit missile production facilities, air defense systems, and key nuclear sites deep inside Iranian territory. Military planners described it as pre-emptive. Critics called it an act of war. The objective was clear: cripple Iran's ability to retaliate and slow its nuclear progress. But history has shown, Iran does not absorb blows quietly. Just hours later, Iran answered. More than 100 ballistic missiles and armed drones were launched in waves. Some targeted Israel, others crossed the Gulf, aiming at regions hosting American military forces. Air defense systems lit up the sky. Interceptors collided with incoming missiles. Debris fell into cities that had never expected to be on the front line. For the first time in decades, the Gulf was no longer a rear base. It was a battlefield. As always, civilians paid the price. Emergency alerts blared across multiple countries. Airspace closed. Flights were grounded mid-air or rerouted across continents. Reports emerged of civilian casualties, including children, fueling outrage and grief on all sides. In war, truth becomes the first casualty. But fear spreads instantly. Now the world waits. Will there be another wave of strikes? Will diplomacy intervene, or collapse entirely? Will this remain a limited confrontation, or expand into something far larger? History teaches us this much: wars rarely start the way leaders expect, and almost never end the way they plan. This is more than a clash of missiles. It is a test of restraint, power, and consequence. The next 72 hours may decide not just the future of the Middle East, but the direction of the world itself.